Hey friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to share with you some DIY spring decor, super easy ideas that we hope you will like it. DIY number 1. For this project, I took a canvas. Now, I already used this canvas previously, so to make sure it is completely white, I decided to paint it white, but you don't have to do that. And then I'm taking the spackling from the Dollar Tree, and I am just making this canvas textured. So first I used this little popsicle stick, but it really didn't work, so I went ahead with my fingers and I spread it out. Now this is again not necessary. This is what I wanted. I wanted texture surface, and you can see over here how it looks like. I know it's white, it's hard to see, but you can see kind of like a lines texture. So after this was dried, it dries pretty quick. I took a pencil and I actually looked at a picture online of a dandelion, and I just drew a dandelion shape. After it was super easy. So, but if you're not comfortable drawing, freehanding it, you can certainly use stencil or anything else that you have. Now, after I was done with that, I went ahead and gotten glue gun, and I am tracing all this. Now I was careful not to leave too many little strokes or too many those webs from the glue gun, and this is how it looks like when it was all done. Now you can use any glue that you want, but it will take longer to dry. Now I am taking this Oops paint from Home Depot. It was 50 cents, and I really like that it's very mild and very pastel color. That's what I really like. And I took a small paintbrush and decided to go over all the details. So everything that I created with the glue gun, I am now going over with the paint. Now when you put the paint, that's where all these little mistakes come alive. You can see them, but it's easy to correct. You can just go over back with the glue gun and it's going to be corrected. And when I painted it all, this is how it looks like. Now I decided to take a chippy brush from the Dollar Tree and just a white paint to dry brush over this to mute down the color even more, but that's just a personal preference. After that, I decided to take these wood sticks that were previously painted in a gray color, and I hot glued them around just to create a simple frame. After that, this project is completed. I really love how it turned out. Tell me in the comments down below your thoughts. Now, today's video is part of the Spring Collab hosted by Liana DIY. Guest hosts today are Violet's DIY Style and Happiness Created. Also joining with me is Farm Charm Chic channel. Make sure to go ahead and check out these wonderful ladies and their creations. I'm going to have playlist in the description box as well as pinned comment. I'm sure they're going to have great ideas for you guys to craft. Alrighty, DIY number 2. For this project, I took this fabric. It is actually drop cloth from Home Depot. So I'm going to cut a rectangle, and really the size depends on how big you want this pouch to be. I am just now trying to figure out what side I want to use. Should I use the right side or wrong side to be out? But I decided to do, I think, right side out because I wanted to flip the top. And then I'm just folding one side like so, and I'm using a glue gun, which I have a fabric glue that I used, but you can really use any glue. You can even use a glue, just a regular glue for glue gun, or you can stitch it. And I'm folding it over and finishing off this side. This is really super simple DIY, or actually project, let's say, craft that I think it turned out great, and I cannot wait for you guys to see it. Okay, now that I'm done with this side, I'm going to flip it over and do the other side as well, but opposite. So as you can see over here, I am doing the same thing on the other side, and then I'm going to connect those two. I really wanted those seams to be completely inside to look nice and seamless. So now that I have this, I'll fold it in half, and I am going to put one line of glue right alongside the edges. And after I'm done with this, I will flip this pouch inside out. That way I will finish off the bottom. Now that I'm done with that, flipping it back to the right side. And after that, I have this stencil. It is kind of a Paris inspired stencil, and it looks almost like a stamp. So what I'm going to do now, I will take this oops paint and a little bit of black paint to create kind of a gray, darker grayish tone, and I will dab it with the sponge. I don't want this stencil to be perfect. I really want it to look like it's old, so already washed off kind of. So that's why I'm not really dabbing too strong, and I am not pressing it too much. Okay, now that I'm done, I will slowly peel off this stencil, and this is how it turned out. I love it. It looks exactly the way I wanted. Like I said, I wanted it to look washed off. So now I'm using a jute twine, and I will put a little dab of hot glue or line of hot glue from the inside of both sides of this pouch to create a hanging piece. And after that, this project is completed. I added some greenery or some flowers, and I'll show you both. And I think it looks amazing. Perfect touch for spring. Tell me what you think about this one. For all of you that are new to our channel, welcome. On our channel, you can see budget-friendly DIYs, decor ideas, thrift flips, home improvement DIYs. My husband and I like to do a bunch of things around the house, and we just want to share those things with you. Most of the time, you're going to see me, but my husband helps a lot. If you're first time on our channel, please subscribe. That would mean a lot to us. It would help us grow, and we can create more videos for you guys. Also, please click on notification bell on so that way you don't miss any of our future videos. Also, give it this video a thumbs up if you like it, so we know we can produce more of these type of videos. If you would like to support this channel, you can just watch the ads, like, share, subscribe, and comment on this video. Alrighty, DIY number 3. For this project, I took 2 pieces of wood that I had laying in my garage. If you have one larger one, you can use that. This is what I had, so I decided to go with it. I am using a wood glue to put these two together, or actually glue them together to create one big piece. Now, I just clamped it and left it to dry completely. After that, here it is, one piece of wood. I am just taking this Dollar Tree white acrylic paint and a little bit of, and a brush, and then I use the baby wipe to wipe it off. I really wanted to just create kind of a stain effect on this wood. After that, I'm using a chippy brush from the Dollar Tree and Adirondack white chalk paint. It is thicker, so it's better to create kind of a even more distressed look. So after I am done with that, I went ahead and gotten this stencil from the Dollar Tree. I believe I have this for like 2 years now, so I don't know if they still carry it, but I'm pretty sure they do. And I will just peel it off gently and put it on top of these 2 pieces of wood, which is now 1 piece of wood. And it really goes on very easy, but if you make a mistake, you can just peel it off. It is very, very good quality. After I made sure everything is stuck really nice, I went ahead and gotten back that chippy brush and chalk paint, and I'm just dry brushing it on top to make it look more worn off, rustic, and muted. And if you really want, you can, of course, use a Mod Podge on top just to seal it. But I think this really was stuck on there pretty good. And that's all I wanted to do with this project. I think it turned out great. Tell me what you guys think about this one and also all the projects that you saw. Would you recreate any of these? If you're new, please introduce yourself and tell me in the comments down below a few things about yourself. I appreciate you guys being here, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye, guys.